We're etching glass today, and these are some of the projects that we're going to show you how to make. The things that you're going to need are your glass piece, which could be the plate or the cup or the picture frame or whatever. And I recommend starting with this beginning glass etching kit that you can get at Michael's Craft Store. It has the etching cream in it, it has the instructions, and some rub-on stencils that I'll show you in just a few minutes. You're also going to need water, paper towels, scissors, glass cleaner, and tape. If you're going to do individual a stencil that you make yourself, you'll need some contact paper, clear vinyl contact paper, and I'll show you how to do that in a further step. But these are the things that you need to get started. Very simple.